Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 11 of self-practice 8E of chapter 8. Chapter name is Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Method of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state board. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 11, self-practice 8E, chapter 8. Chapter name is Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Method and topic is proportion. Let's solve some questions. Now we'll solve question number 4. Find the missing terms. First bit A is 10 divided by n is equal to 5 divided by 18. We have to find the value of n. It is given 10 divided by n is equal to 5 divided by 18. Crisscross multiplication, we get 10 multiplied by 18 is equal to 5 multiplied by n. And n is equal to 10 multiplied by 18 divided by 5. Cancelling 5 and 10, we get 5 2 10. That is 2 multiplied by 18 is 36. And value of n is 36. Now second bit B. 24 divided by 20 is equal to n divided by 15. 24 divided by 20 is equal to n divided by 15. And crisscross multiply, we get 24 multiplied by 15 is equal to 20 multiplied by n. Then n is equal to, transposing this value of n, transposing this 20, here 20 is multiplied by n. When transposing 20 to the left hand side, this multiplication changes to division, because multiplication and division are inverse operation. So n is equal to 24 multiplied by 15 divided by 20. Cancelling 15 and 20 with 5. 5 4s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. Cancelling 4 with 24. 4 6s are 24. Now n is equal to 6 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 18. So value of n is 18. Now third bit C. 6.4 divided by n is equal to 20 is to 8.5. Find the missing terms. We have to find the value of this n. It is given that 6.4 divided by n is equal to 20 divided by 8.5. Crisscross multiply, we get 6.4 multiplied with 8.5 is equal to 20 n. And n is equal to 6.4 multiplied by 8.5 divided by 20. 6.4 multiplied with 8.5 is 8.5 multiplied with 6.4. 4 5 are 20, 2, 4 8 are 32 plus 2, 4 5 are 20, 0, 2 and 4 8 are 32, 32 plus 2 is 34. 6 5 are 30, 3, 6 8 are 48, 48 plus 3 is 51. 0, 4, 4, 5, 2, 54.40, 54.40 divided by 20, which is equal to 2. Which is equal to 250. Cancelling 2 with 54.4, we get 227 2 is 54.2. That is 27.2. and value of n is 27.2. This is the answer. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.